Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be doing apron. Yes, we'll be stitching and cutting apron. So let's go. Welcome back again. Let's go. Yes, it's sewing class with Larry Arrow. So today the first thing we'll be doing first is to make sure we have our clothes well ironed out. Yes, we have to press it out to make sure that the edges are well straightened out. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to Larry Arrow, sewing class with Larry Arrow. And if you're a old time customer, please kindly welcome back once again. And if you're old and new, please just hit subscribe button, please. And if you can like the video, that will help the channel grow. Please let's just like and share. Yes, so yeah, first thing we have to do is to make sure we have our cloth folded out, straightened out, and make sure it's on a straight line. Yes, make sure it's on a straight line. So measure the width, we'll mark it out on both sides. So I make sure it's well straight out, and I can roll it out to make sure that it's on a straight line. So I take my length also. I measure the length. Like the measurement that is displayed on the screen. All my measurements are stated out, so it's easier for everybody to get the measurements. So you have to make sure that the square is out first. So for the upper side of the apron, I make sure it's 5.5, and from the down up, so I create my square first, and I create my curve to make sure that it's blended fully and very nicely. Yes, so I cut it out. So the length of my apron, like you see on the screen, is 33, and the width of my apron is 13. Yes, so the upper side of my apron, like you have seen after I measured 5.5, I make sure that the folding part is 2. So yes, that's it for the cutting of the apron itself. So now we're going to the ropes and the pockets. So because I like my own to be designed, not just the plain one like you see in the picture, I'll be using a black fabric for the rope, and black fabric for the pocket and for the handle also. So please, if you have enjoyed it this far, can you please like, share, subscribe to the button, click on the subscribe button so we can get more people to like this. Yes, so I'm doing the rope like you're seeing. Yes, so the rope measurement for the rope is 23. So half of 23. Yeah, half of 23 is 11.5. So that means I'm cutting my fabric on a 23 stretch, but because I'm folding it, it's going to be 11.5. So yes, 11.5 by 4 inch. You can decide to make it 3 or 2.5 depending on what you want, but I like mine thick so it goes around and balance in a nice format. So yes, so that's 4 inch by 23.5. 23, I mean, that which is 11.5. So I measure it again, 11.5, then by 4 inch. So that's for the neck. So for the ropes now, for the rope, I make sure the rope length is 29. It's 29, so that's why we're using the full fabric, so I can have it roll around twice. Yes, so the length of my rope is 29, I mean. Yes. So the length is 29. Looks like the way it's folded. and the height of the rope itself is 2 inch. Yes, so the height of the apron is the rope, so that I can easily fold it in easily, is 2 inch. Yes, you can make it more if you want it to be thicker. It's very nice, but for me, I don't want it to be bigger because it's a black fabric. The smaller the better. So what I'm cutting is 29 into 2 plates, so I have to cut it to be, yes. So that's it. I have to cut into to be two different parts. So one for one side, the other for the other side. So yes, that's it. So now I have it all complete, all fold. Oh, okay, the pocket is the last one. Yes. Please, if you haven't liked the video up to this extent, can you just please like the video? And if you haven't subscribed yet, I have many people that are watching without subscribing. Please, can you subscribe, please? Just click on subscription button so that you can get notified if there's a new updates on sewing and creating like this. Yes, so my pocket is 10 inch. So the length of the pocket is 9, then plus 1 inch folding up. Oh, because I like my pocket to be designed, so I won't be using the black plain. I'll be putting my logo at the upper side just to make it more funky and more nice. So I'm sure you're going to see the outcome shortly. I did a print on my pocket to make sure that it's very nice. So yes. So now we are done cutting everything. That's the pocket, the 2 ropes by the side, and the upper side also. So it's now time to stitch. Yes, time to stitch. So I'll be starting first with the rope, with the ropes. So the upper rope and the side ropes also. If you haven't liked, can you just please like as we venture into the sewing part? Yes, so that's my pocket. So I told you I like my pocket to be designed. So yes, I had to print my logo, my business logo on the pocket to make it more better. So yes. So that's the 1 inch folded I told you about. So half inch, that's what I have my 1 inch fold. Yes, so that's done. So now the ropes, I'll start with the neck piping. So because I like it to be bigger, that's why you can make yours 4 inch, but mine is 3 inch to make it easier. Yes, so I'll be starting with the folding half inch, so that will give me a 1.5 inch band. If you want it to be bigger, you can make it bigger. If you want it to be smaller, but this should be the biggest to make it easier for you to control, and the smallest can be like 2 inch. So if you want it slimmer. So that's it. Don't forget the length for this one is 23. Yes, I make sure I put it on both sides just to make sure I have it all balanced and all okay. Yes, that's done. Please like the video if you're liking what you're seeing. If you're doing it as you're seeing it, please just click on like button. It helps the channel grow. It also helps people to know that something good is happening here. We have videos on how to make pants, elastic with belt, how to make apron, how to make hats, how to make caps, how to make buba, how to make Nigerian cap, anything African related, anything do it yourself, we have it all on the channel. So just do well to check the channel. You see there's a lot of videos there that you can watch, and you'll get a lot of ideas. Either you're a beginner or you're an advanced stitching tailor or designer. So yes, I'll be doing the rope, because my rope is 2" by 29. Don't forget 2" by 29. So I'm folding it half. So I have ½ for the rope. So that's what I'm doing. So I double stitch it to make sure it's on both sides. So I change the thread to make sure that the color is the same. So yes, I'll be joining the both sides. I'll be doing the taping of the sides. Yes, don't forget it. There's an option that you can overlock the edges, then fold it once. But for me, I don't like the overlocking showing at the end of at the other side of the apron. So I prefer to fold it gently, quietly, and not too big, so it doesn't create rumples. So I like to fold it twice to make it easier for me. So yes, this is where the rope will be, but this is just a demonstration. I won't be putting it now. Yes, so this is just to stitch it and see. Then I'll run it all around like that, from the up side back to the upper side. So which means I'm running it all around at once. Yes, so we are done with that. Yeah, so the next thing we'll be doing is to put the upper band on it. So what I do is I make sure that I fold it 1 inch, 1 inch. So that means 1 inch first, like that. Then the next 1 inch will be on the band. 1 inch first without the band, then the next 1 inch on the band. Yes. So 1 inch fold without the band, then the next one on the band. That's what I'm doing. Please, if you have liked it this far, please just click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you very much. We appreciate your subscription. Yes, you see, I've been 1 inch first, then I use around 1 inch to, like I told you, I like to make it double stitch. So I'll be folding the other way to double stitch it, because the apron might, if it's not stitched properly, it tends to worn out easily. So yes, that's it. Yes, so that's it for the upper side. So now the rope, I'll take the rope from the inside outside, stitch it from the in, then take it out to the outside. Yes, inside, then draw it out. So this is just to make sure the edges are well knitted, that there won't be any ruffles around the edges. So that's why I'll be having it like that. Yes. Have you liked? Have you liked the video? Have you subscribed? Please, if you have any question, concern, or contribution, please kindly drop them on the comment section. I promise to answer them as fast as I could. Drop any question, any concern on the chat box or on the comment section. I will gladly do that. I'll gladly answer them. Don't worry, we are not big yet, so we can easily answer any questions, any concern, or any contributions easily. And if you think you want to access me directly, you can click on my link on my bio to gain more ideas and more. You can have a direct chat with my email, so I can reply that one easier and faster. So now I used to put the pocket. I had to change the thread back to black because my pocket is black. Yes. So I'll put it at the center, but on the line. Yes. You see, the line is on exactly in the middle part, just like the way my logo is. Yes. So yes. So because I'm having white, I have to fold the white, then run the pocket like that. So that's the pocket being stitched, and I also like to make sure I have a middle stitch to make it more firm, to make it to create a balance in the pocket. So I'll be running my middle stitch. So within my middle stitch, yes, to create a balance. Yes, that's it. And we're done with the pockets. Yes, so if you have liked this to this extent, just click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. So this is the same techniques I've been using for a long time, and also I have many aprons. I've done 3 aprons like this, same designs. I want to say a big thank you for watching patiently and subscribing. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Peace out.